This video will show you how to use the filtering feature in Excel. If you watched my video on basic Excel organizing tools, you will know that you can access the filter feature by clicking on the funnel icon at the top or by clicking the data tab at the very top of the screen and pulling down to filter. The filtering feature will allow you to view just the elements in a column that you want while hiding the rest. When looking at a big list, filtering makes it easier to view just the data you like and highlight it if needed. Now I'm going to show you what the filtering feature looks like in action. What I've made up here is a list of pretend students and math MCA scores for each student. And let's say as I'm looking at my long list of students, I just want to concentrate on maybe the students that were a few points away from passing the test. And for the math MCA, it happens to be 850. So let's say I just want to look at those students and highlight their scores. Well, the filtering tool is a good option for this. At the top, again, the funnel icon is the filtering tool. I'm going to highlight the cells that I want to filter. So I'm going to highlight both these cells together. And I'm going to click on the funnel here, the filtering tool. And these arrows are going to pop up in the column headings, and that tells me that the filtering tool is on. Now, like I said, let's say I just want to look at the students, as opposed to this whole list, I just want to look at the students who are a few points away from passing. If I click on the arrow here under the Math MCA scores, it'll bring up a list of all the elements, all the number values that are in this particular column. So I could look at just specific ones if I'd like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to unclick the Select All button so that they're all not showing up. But I just want to look at students who are maybe like within 3 points of passing. So that'd be like around the 847, 848, and 849 range. And as you can see, as I click on them, those students are showing up in my column. So let's say I just want to concentrate on those students. I'm going to X out of the filter now, and now just those scores show up. All the other cells are still there, they're just hidden from view at the current moment. You can see this on the left by noticing that this is row 12, row 14, row 18. It has just picked out the rows that have those particular scores that I wanted in there. What I could do now is I could select all these cells and highlight them in some certain colors so they stand out a little more. And when I go back to the filter button, and I click clear filter, all my students will show up again, but now the ones that I've highlighted will stand out a little more in case I just want to focus on those particular students. The filtering tool is a good tool to use when you want to make certain elements in a list stand out, be it numbers, words, text, whatever it may be. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you want to see other Microsoft Excel features, click on one of the following links to view that video. Thank you.